The rich history and legacy of Chichén Itzá. Introduction. Chichén Itzá, an iconic complex of Mayan ruins located on Mexico's Yucatán Peninsula, stands as a testament to the ingenuity and sophistication of the ancient Maya civilization. Dominated by the massive step pyramid known as El Castillo or the Temple of Kukulcán, this ancient city thrived from approximately 600 AD to the 1200s. Its well-preserved ruins include graphic stone carvings, ball courts, the Temple of the Warriors, and the Wall of the Skulls. Modern visitors can experience nightly sound and light shows that highlight the building's sophisticated geometry and astronomical alignments. Historical significance. Chichén Itzá's importance is underscored by its designation as one of the new Seven Wonders of the World, a title it earned due to its cultural significance and its ranking among the top 7 nominees in an international voting process. The city's name, Chichén Itzá, is derived from the Maya language, chi meaning mouth or edge, chen meaning well, and Itzá, the name of the dominant ethnic lineage group in the northern Yucatán Peninsula prior to the Spanish conquest. Thus, Chichén Itzá translates to at the edge of the Itzá's well. As the second most important Mayan archaeological zone, Chichén Itzá is located centrally on the northern half of the Yucatán Peninsula. It attracts visitors from around the world who are eager to learn about Mayan culture and history. Discovery and modern popularity. Chichén Itzá entered the popular imagination in 1843 with the publication of Incidents of Travel in Yucatan by John Lloyd Stephens, illustrated by Frederick Catherwood. The book recounted Stephens' explorations in Yucatan and his tours of various Maya cities, including Chichén Itzá. Their detailed descriptions and illustrations brought the site to international attention and sparked widespread interest in the Maya civilization. The site and its structures. Chichén Itzá spans approximately 4 square miles, 10 square kilometers, and is thought to have been a religious, military, political, and commercial center. At its peak, it is believed to have housed around 35,000 people. The city's ruins are home to some of the largest and most famous Mayan archaeological structures, including pyramids, palaces, temples, and an enormous ball court. The intricate stone carvings and sculptures that adorn these structures provide valuable insights into the Maya and Toltec cultures. El Castillo, the Temple of Kukulcán. El Castillo, also known as the Temple of Kukulcán, is perhaps the most iconic structure at Chichén Itzá. This step pyramid, built between the 9th and 12th centuries CE, is a prime example of Mayan architectural prowess and astronomical knowledge. The pyramid has 365 steps, one for each day of the year, which align with the solar calendar. During the equinoxes, the setting sun casts shadows on the pyramid steps, creating the illusion of a serpent descending the structure and homage to Kukulcán, the feathered serpent deity. The ball court. Chichén Itzá boasts the largest ball court in Mesoamerica, measuring 545 feet, 166 meters, long and 225 feet, 68 meters, wide. The ball game played here, known as paktapak, held significant ritualistic importance and was often associated with religious and political events. The court's walls are adorned with carvings depicting players and scenes from the game, emphasizing its cultural importance. The Temple of the Warriors and the Wall of the Skulls. The Temple of the Warriors, another significant structure at Chichén Itzá, is a large stepped pyramid flanked by rows of carved columns depicting warriors. Adjacent to it is the Wall of the Skulls, Sampantli, a platform decorated with carvings of skulls, believed to be a display of war captives and sacrificial victims. Cultural and astronomical significance. The architectural layout of Chichén Itzá reveals the Maya and Toltec's advanced understanding of astronomy. Many of the city's buildings are aligned with celestial events, such as solstices and equinoxes, highlighting their sophisticated knowledge of the cosmos. This blend of astronomical and architectural expertise underscores the city's role as a major center of scientific and religious activity. Cenotes and rituals. Chichén Itzá is surrounded by cenotes, natural sinkholes that were vital sources of water and held great ceremonial significance for the Maya. The most famous of these is the sacred cenote, which was used for religious sacrifices. Excavations have uncovered numerous artifacts and human remains, providing evidence of the cenote's role in rituals and ceremonies. The decline and abandonment of Chichén Itzá. Despite its prosperity, Chichén Itzá faced a period of decline beginning in the 13th century. Several factors likely contributed to this downturn, including internal strife, overpopulation, and resource depletion. By the 1400s, the city was largely abandoned, its inhabitants having left it to be reclaimed by the jungle. The reasons for this sudden abandonment remain a topic of scholarly debate and intrigue. Rediscovery and excavation. The site remained relatively obscure until the 19th century when explorers and archaeologists began to document and excavate it. Significant discoveries have been made over the years, including the revelation that El Castillo contains an inner pyramid. This inner structure, discovered in the 1930s, features 9 platforms, a single stairway, and a temple containing human remains and precious artifacts, such as a jade-studded jaguar throne and a check mule statue. Chichén Itzá in modern times. Today, Chichén Itzá is one of the most visited archaeological sites in Mexico, drawing millions of tourists each year. Its designation as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and its inclusion in the new 7 Wonders of the World have only heightened its popularity. Visitors are captivated by its well-preserved ruins, rich history, and the mystery that surrounds its rise and fall. Cultural events and tourism. Modern visitors to Chichén Itzá can enjoy nightly sound and light shows that illuminate the ancient buildings and bring the history of the site to life. These shows highlight the architectural and astronomical achievements of the Maya, offering a unique way to experience the site. Additionally, Chichén Itzá's location near popular tourist destinations like Cancun and Mérida makes it easily accessible for those looking to explore the cultural heritage of the Yucatán Peninsula. Chichén Itzá is a complex of Mayan ruins on Mexico's Yucatán. Chichén Itzá is a complex of Mayan ruins on Mexico's Yucatán. Chichén Itzá is indeed a complex of Mayan ruins located on Mexico's Yucatán Peninsula. It was one of the major cities of the pre-Columbian Maya civilization and is one of the most visited archaeological sites in Mexico. The name Chichén Itzá is derived from the Mayan language and can be translated as "at the mouth of the well of the Itzás." The site was likely occupied from the late 8th century through to the end of the 12th or the beginning of the 13th century, and it served as a major economic, cultural, and population center. The architecture of Chichén Itzá is a combination of styles that includes the Maya, as well as the newer styles brought by the Toltecs, who migrated from central Mexico. This combination is sometimes referred to as Maya Toltec. Some of the most famous structures at Chichén Itzá include El Castillo, also known as the Kukulcán Pyramid. This is the most famous structure at the site, a pyramid temple that dominates the Chichén Itzá archaeological site. It is designed in such a way that during the spring and autumn equinoxes, the sun casts a shadow that creates the illusion of a feathered serpent, which is symbolic of the god Kukulcán, slithering down the pyramid staircase. The Great Ball Court. This is the largest ball court in Mesoamerica, where the Maya played the Mesoamerican ball game. The walls of the court are decorated with sculptures that depict the game's consequences, which could be quite severe for the losing team. The Temple of the Warriors. This is a large platform with a series of terraces and columns that resemble warriors, hence the name. At the top of the platform is a temple known as the Chapel of the Skulls. The sacred cenote. This is a natural sinkhole that the Maya considered to be a sacred well. It was a place of pilgrimage where people would throw offerings, including jewelry and even human sacrifices, into the water. Chichén Itzá was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1988 and was named one of the new 7 Wonders of the World in 2007. It continues to attract thousands of visitors each year who are fascinated by its history, architecture, and the advanced civilization that built it. Conclusion. Chichén Itzá stands as a monument to the ingenuity and cultural richness of the ancient Maya civilization. Its impressive architecture, sophisticated astronomical knowledge, and intriguing history continue to captivate scholars and tourists alike. As one of the most significant archaeological sites in the world, Chichén Itzá offers invaluable insights into the Maya and Toltec cultures and their contributions to human history. Through ongoing research and preservation efforts, the legacy of Chichén Itzá will continue to inspire and educate future generations about the remarkable achievements of the ancient Maya.